select the patient from the list on the left, and then click the Ledger button. Click New, and then Payment. Enter the amount being paid, and then select the credit card option as the payment type. Click the Post Payment button, and this launches the Fortis Virtual Terminal and carries over the patient and payment details. You will then enter card details manually or with one of the devices that Fortis provides. To complete this payment, click the Process Transaction button at the bottom of the screen. The transaction detail window will appear. You can choose to email or print a receipt, or to void the transaction from this window. Click Close and navigate back to the patient's ledger. You will now click Sync All Payments to post this to the ChiroTouch ledger. Click OK. This patient payment is now visible on the ledger.